Okay, so welcome back. So now in this video we're going to talk about doing calculations with measurements of time. So now you got to understand the way we're going to treat these as if, the same way we treated other units in the metric system or in the US customary system. We're going to treat these using the same steps that we learned in those two sections with dealing with those units. All we're now going to be doing is just units of time and temperature and other measures, but we still use them the same way. Okay, so now in this case, let's say we had a 1 hour meeting. Okay, so let's say we have a 1 hour meeting and we have 5 things on our agenda that we want to talk about, and we want to devote equal time for each topic in the agenda. So we want to know how much time should we devote to each one of the topics on the agenda. Well, that's going to be division, right? So we need to divide 1 hour by 5. Well, so that just becomes 1/5 of an hour. Right? Or if you want to use it as 0.2, 2/10. But basically we should devote 1/5 of an hour. Okay? And so that's one way to do it. And how much time does that mean? Now, if we want to convert this to minutes, right, 1/5 of an hour, well, how many minutes is that? Well, now we're going to use our conversion factor. 60 minutes per hour. And so the hours cancel, and we end up with 60 divided by 5, which equals 12 minutes. So we should devote 12 minutes for each topic. And that's the answer. Okay? So let's say we have another example. Let's say a technician can assemble one pre-cut picture frame in 7 minutes. How long will it take him to assemble 25 frames? Okay, so in this case, it says it takes him 7 minutes to construct a picture frame, a pre-cut picture frame. So his rate is 7 minutes per frame, right? Now, how long will it take him to manufacture or to construct 25 picture frames? Well, if it's 7 minutes per frame, and he wants to do 25 frames, well, we're going to multiply. Why? Because we got to have minutes, and we got frames on the bottom, and so one way to do this is to multiply, because then the frames here cancel, and we're left with minutes, which is now going to be what? So 7 times 25 is how many minutes? So this is going to be 'Oh, that's not right. $175. Oh, and of course, gotta have units. And so That's it. That's the answer. See you next time.